Okay guys, so we're here at our afternoon session for day 6. So let's go. We're gonna go for our afternoon session. So our balance is 1612. Session 2, 10, 13, 20, 25, 1612. So let's go. So we're gonna target 2-2. Okay, 2-2. Let's go for 2-2 for tonight, for today's session. For this session, let's go for 2-2, 2,200 balance. So we're gonna cash out 500. Didn't able to bet there. Oh, that's waste of chance. Okay, we're not gonna bet there. So here and here and here. So let's go 3 bets. 3 bets. So what I like with this strategy, because I can bet on multiple shoe at once, so I can finish more faster. I can win more faster, and I can also lose more faster. Okay, just like that. Won there, lost with these two. Okay guys, so one loss, but it's all right. But the not all right is when we lost 5 in a row in one shoe. It's a tie here. It's a loss here, a win there. So 100, loss 100. So okay, let's just stick to these two, because we don't bet on other and golden and in lightning. So let's go with this. Sa tie again, sa loss here. So we're gonna go 200 here. Let's go. Oh, not yet. Okay, let's just focus on these two. 2-2 is our target. So let's see if we can go. We can get that a win here. Oh no, bad situation there. So we're gonna bet 400. Last 2 bullets. Okay, last 2 bullets. Let's go. Just one just one suggestion for you guys, for those of you who wanna gamble. Please don't get bother when you lose a lot. When you lose like this, please, just like that, please don't bother too much, because it will ruin your strategy. Okay, even if I lost this one, it won't bother me too much. I'll just go back tomorrow and put some 1.5. Okay, we're winning that, so we're just gonna go back tomorrow and put some another 1.5. That's like that. We're I'm gonna play this strategy whole year long. So 100 here, so 200. So we can test it for the whole year, if this strategy can win on long term. But if it not, it's all right. Let's just, what do you call this, find some new strategy. Okay, that's the key. And with that, we have the bankroll to sustain that, because we only have to lose 1.5, and it's not a daily basis that you will lose 1.5. Sometimes you win. So that's all. Thank you and goodbye. Not yet. Okay, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, just like this. I lost. I will lose fast here because this is super speed. Okay, I'm looking at this one, but I should look here because I'm losing here. Fuck. So I'll go 400 here. Am I correct? Oh yes, 400. Okay, I win here. Should have won here. 0 versus 0. Bad. Oh, 7. That's good number. Okay. Okay, let's bet here. A loss. Okay, a loss. Oh, what happened? Oh my goodness. Didn't able to bet. Sobra. Hindi ko alam kung ilang talo ko dun. Okay, 100 is correct. Let's go. Wrong click. Wrong click. No. Wrong click. Should have not, what do you call this? But it's alright. I win 2. And I lost 1, but I lost the biggest. Okay. I lost the biggest bet. Okay, win that. Okay, win that. That's what I say. Sometimes we lose, sometimes we win. We don't always lose, so we don't lose 1.5 per day, and we don't win 500 per day. So there's a lot of time that we will win. There's some losses that will wipe out our win. So let's just see what will prevail for 1 year. Okay, let's bet. Just like that, I win, but I lost here. Okay, let's bet here. We will see, we will see. We can see. Sometimes we can when our bankroll grow, we win a lot per day. Not only 500 or 1,000 per day. When we grow our bankroll, so we won't bet. So we will bet. No. Oh no, wrong. Should have won here. Fuck. Wrong mistake. But it's alright. It's part of the game. Why did I cancel that bet? So first time we bet on player for this session. Can we hit it on the first try? I lost the 100 bet, but I win the 200. That's nice. Sure. Oh no, we lost. No, we lost the first try. So we go 100. Oh no. Oh, bad. So we're gonna bet 400 here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 units for 400 pesos. I win here. Win, I claim it. Oh, I win. Oh, I thought I gonna win here. Ah, bad. 0 versus 0. 0 versus 0. So win there. So that's gonna be my session for today. Ay, not yet. Oh my goodness. This should be the finisher. Wrong mistake again. Wrong mistake again. Oh, it's a tie. It's a tie anyway. Okay. I think I thought we got the 2-2. So with this, we're gonna get 2-2. So let's go. Let's get this session over with this bet. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's overshot. What happened to our balance? But anyway, we win. So that's gonna be our session for this day, second session. So we're gonna put in 2304 2304. So our profit is, so we're gonna cash out 500. So this will be plus 500. So only negative 500 left for our cash out. So it's a win session. So let's cash out 500, and we're done for today. We're done for today. So tomorrow will be another day. Okay, let's go. Let's cash out 500 po. Okay. There will be a little bit addition there because I have some commission. So let's see how much can we have. So I have a 2,000 valid bet. So 2,000. So that will be 200 plus. So that's gonna, okay. So ayan. Valid bet is 5,690. So valid bet is 5. So that will be 56, or I think that will be 56.90. So that's all for today, guys, and thank you and God bless. Special reminder, do not gamble what you cannot afford to lose. Gamble in moderation. Always gamble in moderation. Use stop loss always. So stop loss is the key. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you.